Alright, so yesterday I did a vlog. I tried to do like an all-day vlog. I'm gonna try and get out and like do some stuff. It was looking pretty rainy yesterday, so I didn't bring a drone or anything with me. I just brought a camera and did a vlog for the entire day, which is what I'm currently uploading right now. Really hate using flip out screen because I never look at the lens. Anyways, so I'm gonna try and get out. It doesn't look like it's going to rain anytime soon. I think it should be alright as far as the rain goes. Looks like it's all off of the East Coast. So I'm not really sure. It doesn't look like it will rain anytime soon. If it does, over here like this. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get out and go find someplace cool. We'll see. I'm not really 100% sure, you know? It's still up in the air right now. The vlog that I'm uploading right now, so long story short, I had a realtor lady that I used to work with contact me. She wanted me to shoot a couple properties. Was supposed to shoot one this morning, but then she sent me a text message and told me that today wasn't good, so I guess I have to figure out whenever I get my schedule to let her know what days work. So basically just free today. I'm gonna try and do something a little more fun than yesterday, which was basically just drove around spending money. Gonna bring the drone out, gonna try and get some cool shots of some stuff. Other than that, really not 100% sure, you know? It's either that or just sit around the house doing computer editing and stuff, shooting B-roll for other YouTube videos, and yeah. I will say this too. One thing I hate about uploading YouTube videos is they take forever sometimes. The vlog that I did yesterday was like 37 minutes long. I gotta figure out something to like make them shorter, but I even wound up cutting out some content, like 5 to 8 minutes worth of video that I just felt was unnecessary. That's my problem, is I'm always shooting all the content on top of like some B-roll and stuff. Added a little bit of B-roll into it yesterday on top of that, and it kind of is not really that easy to make them short. I think anything that's under 20 minutes probably is where everybody wants to be. So if you do watch any of my vlogs and you watch them in their entirety, I thank you wholeheartedly, because if you make it through 20 to 30 minutes of me just talking about random shit, thank you. Holy crap. So hot. It is incredibly hot outside. Said it before, and I will say it again. It's hot outside. I don't know who enjoys Florida weather when it's this miserable out. If any of you think that it is enjoyable, trust me, it's not. It's even worse when it rains, like overnight or in the morning, and then the sun comes out, because then the humidity is ridiculous. So as soon as you step outside, you're like sweaty. Even if you had just taken a shower, you still get all sweaty. It's kind of gross. Bubbly. I had just recorded a bunch of stuff and I didn't realize, so I was trying to do some slow motion B-roll footage and that was in 1080-60, but the frame rates were not correct, so that's gonna look like shit. And then also, I continued to not realize what I was shooting, and so I was shooting in 1080-60 at 1/50th of a second, and so yeah, just I apologize for that video portion that I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get out, and I made a vlog yesterday, like an entire vlog, basically just like a day in the life kind of vlog. Probably a little bit more of like what you would see from like some bigger channels, but it was like way too fucking long. Anyways, I want to get out of the house and like actually go do something fun, kind of like. So I want to go somewhere, and I gotta go drop some stuff off real quick, and then I think I'm gonna head a little north, and we're gonna see where the day takes us from there. Well, I just broke my sunglasses. I bought these in Denver the last time I was there because I didn't have any, and it's bright on the snow. I'm gonna try and see if I can keep these used like this. Alright, I had to go drop something off to Bob. We're out of here. We're out of here. We're going places. We're out. I stopped by this place, Chinziget Hill. Chinziget. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. It's pretty dope. I don't know much about it. There wasn't really anybody around. I kind of maybe would have liked to have like talked to somebody and maybe have them like kind of tell me a little bit about the place. But definitely a cool place. It's like an old two-story Victorian style home, probably from plantation style, probably from the late 1800s, 1800s, something like that. Very neat, very neat. So I stopped there for a couple minutes. Like I said, there wasn't really anybody there, so I just kind of like walked around and looked at stuff. And yeah. So now I am going to drive a little bit further north. Well, I reached the place that I wanted to go, but it is currently raining, and so that kind of sucks. I was gonna throw the drone up and do a little bit of droning around, but I can't really do that right now because, you know, rain, wetness. So I think I might sit here for a couple minutes, see if maybe it stops. I mean, it's not like raining super hard, it's drizzling, but I mean, I can't fly a drone in this weather. Nor do I really want to get my camera gear wet, so this kind of sucks. even harder now. There was like a little ice cream shop. I might go grab some ice cream. I don't know. It kind of sucks, you know? Drove all the way over here and nothing. It's like 4 o'clock right now too. So that sucks even worse. Alright, update. So I hung out in Inverness for a little bit. It did not stop raining. Stopped and got an ice cream at a place called Pinecones Ice Cream Shop. They had a key lime pie ice cream, tastes exactly like key lime pie. It was absolutely ridiculous. Probably gonna need to start going to Inverness more often. I definitely want to get back to the little park that they had over there, but didn't get an opportunity to, only just because it was pouring. I drove through, I hit up Crystal River, but I mean, like, all the parks were kind of like small, and I didn't really want to pay to park. I just kind of wanted to park and like launch my drone. I'm really getting disappointed, man. It's like there's so much like beach and like pond and like river access in Florida, and it's like continuously just like you always have to pay to park. And that's like the one thing that I kind of hate is like that's the only thing Florida is good for. The only thing Florida is good for is just the ocean and like rivers and stuff, and that's it. Like Tampa's pretty cool, but like other than going to see like a hockey game or like, you know, just walking around like downtown Tampa, there's really not a whole lot down there. So like kind of the same thing with Orlando too. It's like Orlando, like, I mean, unless you go to Disney or Universal, I mean, there's really not a whole lot of stuff over there. And I think that's a lot of people fail to realize. Like, I mean, those are just the two main attractions in that area, and that's it. Same thing with Daytona, like the beach of Daytona. Other than that, realistically, is not a whole lot there. I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm just like biased because I've lived in Florida my whole life, but the beach, really, honestly, it's not. I mean, besides just going and hanging out there like every once in a while, like it's really not all that great. I don't get it. I've lived in Florida my entire life. We used to go to the beach a lot when we were kids, and then like even just growing up, like I really fell out of love with going to just sit by an ocean. And like I get it, there's a lot of people that don't ever get to see the ocean, but there's a lot of people that don't ever get to see the mountains, and the mountains I think are absolutely beautiful. You never see the same mountain twice. Well, I came out to the ocean out here by where I live at the beaches. Not super excited about it. I'm not saying that I don't enjoy coming out here every once in a while to do drone photography, but I was just out here a couple weeks ago. I like to kind of mix it up. Like, it's the same thing, like same reason why I don't edit my photos all the same, because if you continue to take pictures of the same things all the time, at least for me, I don't know, maybe I'm different, but I just hate taking pictures of like the same like beach and the same sunsets, and like I like to go to different places and take pictures from different places, you know? It's like, I don't know. I mean, you know, I like to keep it a nice mix. Keep it mixed up, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna go over to Pine Island and see if there's any parking over there. Probably not. Probably gonna say that Pine Island is packed because it's what people do around here. They just go to the beaches at sunset, which, I mean, I don't blame them. It's nice, but it kind of sucks. Well, I went to Pine Island, wasted a battery flying around. There really isn't much there besides just the beach itself. The pier is okay. I mean, it's kind of small, so it's not like one of the, like a bigger cool pier kind of, but it's just like a little small, like 4 people can fit on it type of thing. So I don't know what else to do, man. I was trying to do some fun shit, get out today, but with it being rainy and not really cooperating, it looks like it's gonna start pouring here soon. I'm sure it's probably pouring by my house, or at least raining. So yeah, you know, that's that. I'm gonna go home, start editing some shit. That's it. That's all I got for you guys.